To set keyboard swipe control as swipe to type in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select Samsung keyboard settings, and then scroll down Samsung keyboard screen, tap swipe touch and feedback, and then select keyboard swipe controls, select swipe to type, enter text by sliding your finger from one letter to the next. This works best with full keyboard layout. You cannot use undo and redo gesture at the same time. Okay. Now you can swipe. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.